Okay. I think we're starting a whole separate video, so that's what I wanted. Okay.
Cool.
So as you know, the chat's open and you can stop me at any point. I'm just going to kind of talk about what needs to be done today and tomorrow. So I'm going to share my screen. Always have to make sure my chat's open so I can see people. Okay, so let's start here. So we're winding down. Tomorrow's it. Today you are taking your test inside WebAssign on chapters 5, 6, and 7. And you're finishing that up. Now, if you get stuck on anything, here are these extra practice videos. Okay, you've got some on chapters 5 and chapter 6. Again, it's not as, students typically don't have as much trouble with chapter 7, but of course, if you do have any trouble, please let me know. I do want to point out this graphing video right here. If you're having any trouble with graphing in chapter 7, you of course can come in and see me during office hours, but this kind of clears that up for you. This graphing video right here. Tomorrow's your final exam. Now this extra practice that's not required, that's just seeing me work a whole bunch of problems from the entire, I was gonna say semester, but for us it's been just 3 weeks. So you're not required to do that, but it does give you some helpful tips and helpful problems that you can see. So oh good, I'm glad the graphing video was helpful because I know that that did confuse some students. I will update everybody's grades tomorrow morning prior or as soon as all of this last unit is finished, and then I'll update final exam grades on Saturday. I have a few students that are finished, and those students I'll go ahead and update grades right after this. Again, we'll pop on into WebAssign. You're looking at a practice test and your test, and of course your test is timed. I did give you a little bit more time on this test. Your final exam review, and then your final exam, and that's it. And I've got to tell you, you guys have done an incredible job of keeping up in this 3 weeks, and I just really appreciate that. Now if you have gotten behind at all, please reach out and let me know. We have a little bit of wiggle room over the next 48 hours, but that's it. That's all the wiggle room we have is the next 48 hours. So if you're behind, reach out to me, let me know. We'll try to get you caught up in the next 48 hours. So it has been great. I will do one more of these tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. So if you have any last minute questions, anything else I can do for you? Okay, well, it was great to see you, great talking to you, and I will see you soon. Thank you for the feedback on the course. I appreciate that very much.
No problem.